Black the Beast.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. They want me to fall. They wanna see if I make it. With my back against the wall, put my head to the sky. No, I won't let them break me. I got great expectations. Great expectations.
Yeah, all the stairs and all the glares, they waiting on them. And all the weight from all the hate is gaining on them. The intensity as it rises, nobody can disguise it. It's like he got fire in his eyelids. The crowd is roaring, it's so enormous, his blood is boiling. His head is down and he's focused, he wishes they'd ignore him. Who in their right mind wants to let his light shine? He ain't even in his prime, pressure of a lifetime. He's standing steady, head sweaty, maybe nervous but ready. The skepticism lies heavy, he's about to make it petty. He got his fam on his back, not to carry like Chevy. So much on his plate,